The pearl is produced by pearl oysters, which are bivalve mollusks. They live in bottom of seas.
Bob, what is pearl and how is it formed?
Joe, pearl is an abnormal concentration of calcium carbonate secreted by bivalve mollusks. Formation of pearl is exciting process. When a tiny object such as sand grain or small animal enters the shell of oyster accidentally, irritates the oyster. The oyster secretes abnormal concentration of calcium carbonate around the tiny object. This secretion hardens and forms the pearl. Such a pearl is called natural pearl. For production of pearls, commercially the pearl culturing has been initiated. In this process, the shell is carefully opened. And a tiny object is introduced into the shell. And shells are allowed to close. The oyster produces pearls. Such pearls are called cultured pearls.
Amazing, Bob!